Let's learn multiplication. What is 25 times 13? Let's write out the numbers. We start with the ones digit of 13. Multiplying the ones digit of 25. Three times 5 gives us 15. We write 5 in the ones position and 1 as the carry. We now multiply the ones digit of 13 with the tens digit of 25. Three times 2 gives us 6. We now have to add the carry of 1 to the current result of 6. 6 plus 1 gives us 7. We now multiply the tens digit of 13 with the ones digit of 25. 1 times 5 gives us 5. Remember that we need to write the result starting from the tens position. Finally, we multiply the tens digit of 13 with the tens digit of 25. One times 2 gives us 2. We now add both the numbers of 75 and 25. There is only a single digit of 5 in the 1 position. We copy it down. 7 plus 5 gives us 12. We write the value of 2 and a carry of 1. We now add 2 with the carry of 1. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. The final answer for 25 times 13 is 325. Well done.